In order to graph an equation in two variables, we first need to make a table of values. In this problem, we are going to graph y equals 2x minus 1. So the first thing we do is we make a t-chart, or a table. We have x in one column, y in the second column. The values that I want you to use for x are -1, 0, and 1. We're going to plug those values into the equation and solve for y. So in the first problem, we have x is -1. When we plug that into the equation, 2 times -1 minus 1. That's -2 minus 1, and that equals -3. So when x is -1, y is -3. The next value we're going to plug in is 0. When x is 0, 2 times 0 minus 1 equals y. 0 minus 1 equals -1. And the last one we're going to do is when x equals 1. 2 times 1 minus 1 is 2 minus 1, which equals 1. Once you have three values in your table, you're ready to graph. Remember, this is where we get our ordered pairs from. The x number, comma, the y number. The first ordered pair we're going to graph is -1, -3. So on our graph paper, we would draw an x and a y axis, and we would plot our first point, -1, -3. 1 unit to the left, 3 units down. The second point we're going to graph is 0, -1, 0, -1. And the third point is +1, +1. When you graph those 3 points, they should form a straight line. In order to finish graphing this, we connect the dots. Your line must go through both dots on either end, and you put an arrow at each end also. That is the graph of the equation, y equals 2x minus 1.